PDC core drill bit advantages. 1. High penetration rate and drilling efficiency, diamond drill bit. 2. Long service life, metal diamond drill bit. 3. Good gauge effect, metal diamond drill bit manufacture, diamond drill manufacture. 4. High cost performance, manufacture diamond bit, product diamond drill. 5. Wide usable range, diamond core bits are the most commonly useful bits in the mineral exploration industry, diamond bit product, diamond drill, diamond bit manufacture. PDC core drill bit has many advantages. It is especially suitable for water well PDC drill bits. PDC bit has high mechanical rotation speed, strong wear resistance, long service life and greatly improves drilling time. During drilling, the pressure on bit is small, the good deviation is not easy, the accident of drilling tools is reduced, and the service life of drilling tools is prolonged. With the continuous improvement of drilling technology and the continuous update of drilling technology, high quality and high efficiency have become the main theme of oil drilling. In recent years, a large number of technological advances have made PDC bits occupy an important share in the bit market, and their share is still increasing, and the use of PDC bits is gradually popularized. Therefore, the rational use of the PDC core drill bit will become an important link to improve the penetration rate, reduce the cost and increase the benefit. Stability and basic structure of PDC drill bit treatment and maintenance. The PDC drill bit has many advantages and is also widely used. This is mainly because the PDC core bit offers very good performance and performs well in the construction process. The sensible use of the PDC drill bit can effectively improve operating efficiency. Reduce job difficulty. Stability. The stability of the PDC drill bit is extremely important for the drilling efficiency element. The drill bit with good stability can increase drilling velocity, extend drill bit service life, improve the quality of the borehole, and can reduce the damage to downhole gear. Vortex resistance and anti-friction gauge prevent and other technologies make PDC drill a bit more stable. PDC drill bit structure depends on many factors, such as drilling capacity, drilling rate, water horsepower, orienting ability, abrasion resistance and so on. The acting structures of the drill bit around the stratum are divided into 3 parts: trimming structure, energetic gauge safety, and passive gauge safety. Drilling capacity of the PDC drill bit is undoubtedly the most important factor to influence the drilling costs. The feature of PDC drill bit cutting teeth, back rake angle, trimming teeth setup, the quantity and sizes from the cutting teeth are the main parameters affecting the drilling capacity. Typically, decreasing the back rake angle from the cutting teeth can improve drilling velocity, however, the impact resistance from the cutting teeth decreases. The number and size of the trimming teeth shall be selected according to the stratum to be drilled and the drilling conditions.